going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Speed Shed. Today we are going to pick up the new Barra for the boat. So I've got a mate that's got an old territory motor which came out of a car. It was running, it was working when it came out. Didn't seem to have any issues, but it was an insurance claim, so the motor got replaced. So I'm going to go pick that up. That's going to be our replacement for the FG motor that's in it currently, and we'll whack that on some E85 and try and run that, and hopefully take it pretty easy on that, and then look at building up the FG motor down the track. But thought I'd take you with me today when we go and pick up the motor, and we've got a few things in between. Got to pick up some timber to sit it on when we go, as well as pick up a trailer from my old man, and then we'll go and pick up the motor and bring it home. Let's go. So just the big green shed, just picked up some timber, just got a little 1200 sleeper, which I'm going to rip in half, and then I'll use that to sit the motor on in the trailer. New Barra is on board to take home and clean up, put in the boat. Round at my mate's Mick's place where I've got the motor from. He's got a bit of a patrol build that's on the go. It's at a cab chop and whatnot. He's currently working on getting some paint and a motor and that sort of thing. So once it's a bit closer, we'll get more footage. Alright, back home now, and time to yank that out of there and put it back into the boat. engine's ready to go back in. Going to winch it up, back the boat back under it, and then whack it in. We can bolt her up and start to connect up all the loom and fuel lines and all that sort of thing, and we'll be pretty close to getting it running in the next couple of days. So let's get stuck in.